Hey, what's going on YouTube fam? This is LC. Thank you for tuning in to Law Crypto. So today I'm gonna go over a spectacular project, and it goes by the name of Polygon, formerly Matic Network. And I believe this is gonna make some huge shifts in the ecosystem that we have currently today on Ethereum, because we all know we've been dealing with a lot of Ethereum fees. It's been killing us, and I think Polygon is going to be a winner in 2021 if it can fix this problem. Okay, so we have Polygon here, formerly Matic Network, and they're taking on a huge problem right now, which is the key #1 thing that needs to be fixed in this 2021 bull run, and that is the Ethereum fees. Okay, they're fixing the biggest problem of 2021. Now, I had some professors back in my day that basically said, if you want to create value in this world, you have to learn how to fix problems. Polygon is fixing the biggest problem right now in cryptocurrency. So I want to take you into Matic. I also want to take you into the new vision that Polygon has, and I'll also show you some of the tokenomics. Okay, so we have Polygon pulled up here on CoinGecko, and we have a current price of 17 cents with a max supply of 10 billion. They currently have 4.9 billion in circulating supply with a market cap of 892 million. All right, now as you can see down here, Polygon's chart has been pretty solid during this little dip that we've been taking this week, and yeah, so it took a little dip here. It recovered quite nicely and also made a newer high. So I feel like this is a huge bullish formation, created a little bull flag pattern there, and is doing a little bounce back and is gonna make some new heights. That's my speculation thus far. So what we can see here on the 14-day chart is showing a huge bull formation, and we go out to 30 days. Again, it's been taking a little dip here and there, but we're still carrying upward, and that's what we like to see. So these dips are just completely healthy for the project in the long term, and I feel like Polygon is going to be a winner and very parabolic, as you can see, and this is just the beginning of the bull run. Okay, now let's look at the markets that you can buy this on, and as you can see, you have Binance, Binance US, Uniswap, and you can basically get this project everywhere, so it can touch a lot of people. All right, now first I'm going to show you Matic Network and its original website before I take you into the Polygon website. So Matic's original vision and idea was such a great and unique use case that I feel like it was a great project to begin with. So let's go into it. So it says scalable and instant blockchain transactions. Matic Network brings massive scale to Ethereum using an adapted version of Plasma with POS-based sidechains. So why Matic? Decentralized apps are making huge progress, but the current blockchain ecosystem is not prepared to scale as per the demand. And listen, was Matic right or was it right? Okay, so they knew this prior to this ridiculous beginning stage of the bull run we've been seeing right now, with over $100 fees just to make some trades. Okay, so they seen this early on. Now the issues of slow block confirmations and high gas fees need to be solved before we target mass adoption by mainstream users. Listen, we're not even tapping into the rest of the 99% of the world right now that don't know anything about crypto. This is just the 1%. We're all in the know, and we're having issues. Before we can move on to the mainstream and get these huge investors involved, and a lot of these retail investors in the stock market and also in the Forex market involved, we definitely need to fix this problem, because they'll see these fees and say, how does this make sense mathematically for me to possibly make some profit? You understand? For the small retail investor, they're definitely going to look at this and say, okay, I'm staying in the Forex market. Okay, I'm staying in the stock market. Matic's going to fix this problem so we can get more adoption of the outside world into the space, and that's going to grow the overall market cap. Okay, so, and most importantly, it needs awesome user experience. Exactly. We aim to change that by simplifying the interaction between users and the decentralized world. We want to make interacting with the decentralized ecosystem so easy that everyone can do without worrying about the complexity of the system. All right, so that is Matic's brief statement. Now let's go over to Polygon. All right, so Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. Polygon is a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum compatible blockchain networks. Okay, so now Polygon has expanded the Matic vision, and they're competing with the likes of a Polkadot. You understand? So what we thought what Matic was doing was great. Polygon's vision is so massive, it can reach one of the top 5 in overall market caps, I believe. That's what I'm speculating, because exactly what the founder of Polkadot was trying to do is this problem with connecting Ethereum compatible blockchain networks. That is what Polkadot does, and he built Ethereum. You understand? He understood that was a huge issue that Ethereum was not solving. Polygon has the same vision, and they're doing great things on the Ethereum network. So I feel like this is gonna get us some gains, boy. Woo! All right. So the challenge. Ethereum is the blockchain development platform of choice, but it has limitations. Low throughput, poor UX, gas, delayed POW, finality, and no sovereignty, shared throughput, clogging risk, tech stack not customizable, governance dependent. So many projects are exploring Ethereum compatible blockchains as a way to mitigate these limitations while still leveraging Ethereum's thriving ecosystem. However, there is no specialized framework to build such blockchains, nor a protocol to connect them. This introduces significant development challenges and causes ecosystem fragmentation. Now, this is exactly what I've been hearing Polkadot was working toward, okay? So, oh man, I just think this is gonna be huge. So if you couldn't get in on Polkadot when it was as low as it was, man, I feel like Matic is still being discovered by people in the crypto space. So I can't tell you what you do with your money. I just know what I'm doing with my money. All right. So solution. Polygon is a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum compatible blockchain networks, one-click development of present blockchain networks, growing set of modules for developing custom networks, interoperability protocol for exchanging arbitrary messages with Ethereum and other blockchain networks, modular and optional security as a service, adapter models for enabling interoperability for existing blockchain networks. Okay, so I think this is going to be huge, as I said already maybe 4 times. So features. Polygon combines the best of Ethereum and sovereign blockchains into an attractive feature set built by developers for developers. That has ETH compatibility, scalability, security, sovereignty, interoperability, user experience, developer experience, and modularity. All right, so they're doing a lot right now, and I feel like you guys can read through this here, but what I want to show you now is how to create a Matic wallet. And when you create a Matic wallet, you can stake your Matic coins into the wallet, and you can also provide liquidity. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this in a couple videos, but man, I'm telling you, I think Polygon is gonna be one of these huge stories for 2021, and it's just the beginning. It's just February. I think we're gonna hit a home run on this one. All right, so yeah, let me get into the Matic wallet now. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys is how to stake your Matic. So I'm on the Matic website here. What I basically did was scroll all the way down and click wallet. Then you want to sign in with your MetaMask. Sign. Okay, so we're signed in, and we basically want to make sure if you have multiple mainnets, you want to make sure you're on the Ethereum mainnet. And I have my Binance in here. I did not set up the mainnet for Matic as of yet, but we don't need to for staking. All right, so we're on Ethereum, and what we want to do is stake. So we click apps, and as you can see here, it has some other tokens and things of that nature in there. It's not my tokens, but okay. So all right, we're gonna hit staking when we click on apps. All right, now this took us over to the staking tab, and what we're gonna do now? Okay, so the validators. Now the validators you see here, there are multiple validators. Some of them don't have 100% checkpoint sign. They're pretty high though, so that's cool. Now the commissions, there's 5% commissions and things of that nature. You want to watch out for that. I'm looking for a commission with a 0. Okay, so another thing, I'm not too sure of this, but I typically understand in most cases when there are multiple other people staked in a certain node or a validator, then they possibly take more of the pool of that stake. So I'm also going to look for something that's going to be a 0 commission, close to 100 checkpoint signed, and have the least amount of Matic stake. And I don't know a lot of these guys, right? So I want to make sure I'm looking at the Matic Foundation nodes, just because this is my first time staking. So let's look at those, okay? Matic Foundation node 1, 99.98 checkpoint sign, 0 commission, 52 million stake. All right, so that number 1 is a little better in my categories. Okay, Matic Foundation node 2, 99.9, 0 commission, 68 million. Okay, so basically after looking at all the Matic Foundation nodes, it looked like, what did I see? Matic Foundation node 1 for me is gonna be my best option. Now you definitely don't want to pick the same as me. You want to do the same type of parameters and look to see which ones you want to join. But yeah, I think I'm going to do this one, 99.98%, 0 commission, and only about 52.4 million stake. So, all right, delegate, and connect my MetaMask. Sign. Okay, so as you see here, we have the Matic Foundation node 1, 99.98%, 0 commission, and 52.4 million. Now, when I came over to the site, it took about 10 seconds to load the page up. It was blank for a little bit. All I seen was the header and this on the side. I'm not sure if that was my internet, but just want to make sure you guys are aware of that. Don't freak out or anything like that. So what I'm gonna do, I have 2,500 Matic in here. So I'm going to stake, let's say 1,500. And as you see, projected reward per checkpoint is 0.053 Matic, okay? And let's delegate that 1,500. $17 fee, all right. It's for the videos, for the cause, let's do it. All right, so I actually got this message right after I just hit the $17 little fee there. It says signature request, sending approved transaction on Ethereum, expected to take some time to get confirmed because of likely congestion of Ethereum. If it is taking too much time, try increasing your gas price on MetaMask. Before I finish reading the message, I got my confirmation from MetaMask at the top, and it says confirm transaction, so I should be locked in. Now, as I was reading that message, it basically was saying if it's taking way too long because Ethereum network is congested for you, then you can go into your MetaMask and adjust the gas fee. I guess you can adjust it to fast. It'll take a little bit more gas, but you'll get your request pushed through. So mine were able to go through by the time that I did this, so that's cool. Okay, so the first transaction we actually did was just to approve the fact that we wanted to stake. So that was $17 just to say, hey, I wanted to jump in here. I mean, it's not Matic's fault, it's Ethereum's fault right now, so cool. And then now we're gonna delegate, and it's going to pop up gas fees. Oh my gosh. I might have to wait. y'all gonna have to wait. I'm gonna come back in a little bit and wait till the gas come down. Hold up. Okay, now I'm back. Yeah, I waited a couple hours for the gas prices to go down, so let's see what it's looking like right now. All right, so what I say, 1,500. All right, let's do it. Wow. Ugh, $60. All right, I'm gonna do it for you guys. It's 1:30 in the morning. I should have put the whole 2,500 in there, but I want to show you guys how to add liquidity as well. So yeah. All right, now you know I like Matic. I like me some Polygon, but that took about 5, maybe 10 minutes now. No, it wasn't Matic's fault. It wasn't Polygon's fault. It was the bogged down Ethereum network, and Matic is trying to solve that exact problem. So I'm glad I paid $60 and waited 10 minutes to get this staked. I'm helping the crypto space and the cause to improve Ethereum. All right. So, boom, I have my Matic balance here of 1,000 Matic, and there, boom. Okay, I'm about to say, hold on now, I know I ain't do nothing wrong. All right, so the 1,500 just popped up, so expect that. Don't bug out. So you'll have your Matic staked. It may take a little while. You definitely want to see that congratulations screen first. So remember, you had to approve, basically allowing yourself access to get into staking, and then you had to do another transaction for the gas fee. So just be cautious of what the gas fee is at the time you're doing this. So don't be like me. But yeah, boom, we got our 1,500 Matic there. Let's click on rewards calculator. How much Matic will you delegate? So I delegated. Oh, they're trying to get you to do 10 stackies. Okay. I did 1,500. So absolute rewards for 365 days. I'll have 207 Matic. Okay. So absolute reward 13.85. I like this little calculator. Okay. So I might think about putting some more Matic in here. But as of right now, I'm gonna do that just for our little demo that we're doing. How many days? Let's put 60 days. Let's see what it says for 60 days. Okay, so boom, 60 days. It says I'll receive 34 Matic, and this is something that's was gonna be sticking in my wallet anyway, while I was waiting for the Matic price to increase. So that's pretty dope. I think I'm gonna keep this on deck all bull season, so I'm good with it. All right, let's go back to our wallet. Introducing Plasma POS Bridge. Matic brings you a trustless two-way transaction channel between Matic and Ethereum. Okay, so this is the POS bridge and the Plasma bridge. And I think when we send Matic over to our Matic wallet, I think it uses Plasma, but I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so withdrawal from POS bridge is 30 minutes and a Plasma bridge is 7 days. So if you're in a hurry, I think you want to go through the POS bridge, all right? Supports ETH, ER20 tokens, ERC 721, or blah, blah, blah. All right, so that's a nice little message there. And I guess if this pops up for you, then learn more about the bridge. Now, I look at the wallet and all right, it shows that I did some work. So I have 1,000 Matic. Now, as you can see, I took out 1,500 and I have 1,000 left, and I'm gonna save that to provide liquidity to the quick swap. And I'll show you guys that in another video. But you click over to staking really quick and you click on show delegator details. Remember, boom, you have your Matic right there, and you have your staked right there. Now I'll check back maybe in 24 hours or so and see how much Matic I'm accumulating, but apparently it's supposed to be dripping in a little Matic just as we're living our lives. So you just keep accumulating Matic, and you can also click to redistribute whatever your rewards are into the actual foundation node that you're in. Okay, now you definitely want to make sure this is going to accumulate some type of sum first before you do it, because you're going to have to pay another transaction fee. Okay, so just be aware of that as well. Let it build up and then you can redistribute, or you can sell it, or you can do whatever you want with it. All right, so that is my video on how to stake your Matic. My next video coming up right after this is going to be adding liquidity and also adding the Matic Network onto your MetaMask. So stay tuned for that. Definitely like and subscribe if you like to hear content like this. Comment down below. Let me know if you already staked your Matic or you're just going all liquidity. So you want to make sure you can rack up on some of those quick swap earnings. And yeah, so stay tuned. I'm gonna have more content coming soon. And until next time, I'm gonna keep finding some ways for us to make some money. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So before you go, one of the things I wanted to let you know about is token metrics. Now, I use token metrics to help me find winning projects, and what I built this community around is helping people find new ways to make money, okay? And I feel like token metrics is gonna help you become profitable in your portfolios. Now, what token metrics does is use artificial intelligence and machine learning to rank different cryptocurrencies and make sure you're getting the best for your money, okay? Now, what they do here is they look at the actual market cap rankings, they look at the code reviews, and they give you a quant grade based off what they learned through their artificial intelligence program and the machine learning that they leverage to make sure you're getting the best projects in your portfolios. They also have a toggle here to show if you're looking at an investment from a trader perspective or an investor perspective, okay? So it'll actually give you different ranked projects based off of how you're treating your portfolios. It'll show you top projects if you're a long-term investor and what you should invest in immediately, or if you're a trader, will be the best bets for you to hold within a month span or for a quarterly or yearly span. So I definitely think this is a great tool, and it cuts down that learning curve to make sure you're gaining profit immediately. So check out the links below and you can sign up for a trial. It'll give you 7 days to check out what they do here, and you can leverage some of their AI and machine learning, and you can cancel before the trial period is over. So for the different plans, they have a holder plan, investor plan, and professional plan. And as you can see, you can have a 7-day trial for the holder plan for only $199 and an investor plan for $499. You can cancel before the 7-day trial, or let's say if you wanted to start off with the investor plan for $499, and you can always switch over to the holder plan for $29.99 a month before that 7-day trial is over. So take a look at Token Metrics. I believe this will be a great service that you're doing yourself if you want to be a crypto millionaire, or at least a crypto six-figure.